good to feel happy?
Yes.
Oh, feeling happy feels so good. Sometimes we do feel happy. Let's see if we can get Silas to look happy. Let's take a look. Aleem, how does Silas feel? Does he look happy?
Happy?
Does he look happy?
No.
No, he does not look happy. Check it up, please. Jordan, we're going to make Silas look happy. You tell me when Miss Christine changes him to happy. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see. Can you see? What do you think? Miguel, he's happy. What is he doing?
Happy. Silas.
Silas is smiling. How does he feel, Kevin? How does Silas feel?
I feel happy.
Yes, Silas feels happy.
Make it happiness.
Good. Bigger. Big smile. Excellent. How's he feeling, Chris?
Happy.
Happy. Kevin is making a happy.
When you win, you could be a good sport about it and say, it was fun playing with you guys. We should do this again next time. And that would make you feel, makes all your other friends feel happy. But if you're a bad sport, how does that make you feel? Your other friends feel? Mad or sad, okay? So today you get to be sad. You get to be
Happy.
happy. You get to be a bad sport. And you get to be a good sport, okay? And you're also going to play with us, okay? So you're going to decide if this is a good sport behavior, if this is a bad sport behavior, if this makes you happy or sad, okay? Miss Noah is going to try it out. You're going to tell me how this makes you feel. Ready, guys? Look at me. I win! I win! I win! I'm the winner! I win! What do you think? What do you think, guys? Is that being a good sport or a bad sport? I win! I'm the winner! Good sport or bad sport? What do you think? It's hard, right? A bad sport, right? That's bragging. That's being a bad sport. I'm the winner. I'm the winner, right? That's bragging. Let's see. Would that make your friends feel happy or sad? What do you think?
Sad.
Sad, you're right.